This is an Albright Supply website tutorial. First, if an item you need is out of stock, no problem. Just click the Notify Me checkbox and you will be notified by email when it's back in stock. Next, if you need to see, review, or specifically track your orders, just make sure you're signed in and click on My Account. Then click Order Invoice Tracking. There, you'll see a list of your orders passed and a list of your orders pending. Click any of the order numbers to view the order details. Then you can click the Track Order button to see the current status of your shipment. Also, any order in your My Orders list you can easily order again with the Order Again button. Just select Order Again and then scroll down to place the order. Next, to view and print your invoices, click the same My Account button and then click Order and Invoice Tracking. There you can click the My Invoices tab where you will see a list of your invoices. Click any of them to view, and to print, just click the Print button. Are you a frequent shopper? Lastly, the easiest way to reorder a product is to visit your frequently ordered products page. To see your frequently ordered products, just click the Settings button at the top of the screen and select Frequently Ordered Products. Here, you'll see an organized list of easy-to-order products that you've purchased before. Thanks for shopping with Albright Supply.